Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. In this episode, we're going to make an easy baked potato. Now, it's easy because we microwave it before we throw it in the oven for a little bit. Now, I have tried just the microwave version of baked potato. It's kind of okay, but I love that little bit of roasty taste of putting it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're also going to top this with sour cream and chives. So it's going to taste awfully delicious. So come on, let's cook. And here are the ingredients for our quick and easy baked potatoes. First we have 2 russet baking potatoes. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 of a cup of sour cream, and then salt and pepper that people can add to taste. Now usually I say, come on, let's cook, and we go to another area and I show you how to put it all together, but really it's this simple. I already scrubbed these potatoes. If there were any eyes on them, those white bumpy things, I would have removed those, and so they're all cleaned up. So all we do is this. Just poke a couple of holes in it with your fork. This lets the steam out so your potato doesn't explode in the microwave. So now let's go over the microwave and we'll get started. And here's my microwave, and we have the power set on 10, so it's at the high power setting. We just put one of the potatoes in, and we put it in for 3 minutes, and then we just turn it and put it in for another 3 minutes. And that's our first 3 minutes. You can see it's getting a little bit soft and a little bit hot. So we're just rotating it, and we'll put it in for another 3 minutes. Okay, so there we go. Now this potato is pretty soft. I mean, it's basically a baked potato. It's microwave baked. Now some people can eat a potato that's just microwave baked, and that's fine. That's a matter of taste. What I like to do, and I have been preheating my oven at 400 degrees, is put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. And what that does is it gives it more of a roasted baked potato taste than just microwave, but it does save a lot of time. So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll see you shortly. So it's going in for 20 minutes. And here's our baked potato fresh out of the oven. And you can see it has more of a crispness to it and more of a wrinkled look than you usually get when you just microwave a baked potato. So then all I do is just cut down the middle. And I'm using this paper towel to kind of keep the heat off my hands. Just cut down the middle. Just give it a little bit of a squeeze. There we go. And then just press it down. Ooh, that is one hot potato. Just kind of open it up some, kind of give the potato a little bit of a chop. So you spread it out a little. And put your butter in it. And the butter is optional. I actually just like it with butter and sour cream. This is kind of a decadent dish. So we'll just put some of the butter in it. Melt that down, push it in. Then throw some sour cream on it. Again, do it to taste. You can even let people do this alone at the table. That's yummy. And then we just throw some of our chives on it. And again, black pepper, again, something people can use at the table, but we'll just throw it on for show. And then you just salt it to taste. People can do that at the table, but there you go. That is one delicious, quick, and easy baked potato. So congratulations, look at what you just did. You just made this quick and easy baked potato using your microwave oven and your regular oven. It just saves a lot of time. Now, if you like this recipe, please go to my website, stepbystepchef.com. There you're going to find a free printable version of this recipe and free printable versions of recipes and free video links for over 150 different dishes that I think you'll really like. And the difference between my videos and a lot of other videos is I show you how to make them step by step. We're together the whole way. The other thing you're going to find on my website, had to try not to drop that on my foot, is my book, my cookbook, Cooking with the Step-by-Step Chef. And I update this every November with all of the previous year's recipes. It makes a great gift, but it also saves you a lot of time from having to print every single recipe on the site. So again, my name's Larry Richardson. I am your step-by-step chef, and I'll see you in the next episode.